cherry different soft drink.
Are Northerners hoarding cheer wine to take back home? Here's our report.
That's right. We're at this local market to show you how Yankees are taking our cheer wine. There they are now. Why are you taking our cheer wine? Where in New York are you bringing it?
Hey, we don't know nothing about that. We's from Charlotte.
They don't sound like they're from Charlotte, Skip. Skip?
After you, Stacy!
Cheer wine, more than just a cherry different soft drink. It's a right worth protecting.
Wake up faster with an energy drink.
You can't win if you don't play.